In the year 1665, when he took the slice from oak tree stem, he discovered small room-like structure. That small room-like structure he gave the name cell. Cell is a Latin word, means small room or little room. So now different types of plants and animals are there. Different plants, their body consists of different type of cells. In a typical cell, some structures you are seeing. Now let's see cell, its structure and function. In a typical cell, it is a typical cell. In a typical cell, it is surrounded by a boundary wall. That boundary wall is a double-layered membrane. First membrane is known as plasma membrane. Outside the plasma membrane, one thick rigid cell wall is present. That cell wall is made up of cellulose. That is a very unique structure in case of the plant cell. So inside this cell wall, whatever the things are present, the entire things are known as cytoplasm. On the cytoplasm, different structures are there. That different structure that is seen on the cytoplasm, they are known as cell organelle. So in a typical cell, different type of cell organelles are present. First, the most important cell organelle is nucleus. Just attached to the nucleus, then this is the endoplasmic reticulum. Then Golgi body. In plant cell, the larger part of the cell is surrounded by vacuole. Vacuole play a major role in plant cell. Besides plant cell, now and chloroplast there. Chloroplast is one of the most striking point present in the plant cell. Chloroplast, vacuole and the cell wall totally distinct the plant cell from the animal cell. Now let's see one by one the structure and function of each of the cell organelle. First comes the cell wall. Cell wall forms the boundary line of the cell. It gives a definite shape, protection to the cell. It is totally made up of cellulose. Cellulose is one type of the starch and it gives a definite shape and protection to the cell. So when the plant cell is fully water, the entire cytoplasm is filled up with the water. So at that time, this cell wall gives a total stretch. So this stretch cell wall give a pressure to the nearest this liquid that is present, give a pressure to this cell wall. So when the cell wall become stretched, it give a definite shape to the cell. Okay, and at that time this cell wall gives inward pressure to the plant cell, this cell wall. And second thing is, this generally this cell wall is made up of porous. Porous means small hole-like structures are there. Totally porous, small hole. Due to this porous, the inside material can communicate with the outside material. Okay, and thereby it sometimes exchange the material present inside the cell to the outside the cell. Cell wall. Okay, this cell wall is, remember children, this cell wall is totally made up of cellulose. That is the unique feature of the plant cell. Stop it. Children, regarding cells and its structure and function, I told you regarding the cell organelle. First I told you plasma membrane or cell wall. Second is nucleus. Now come to the third cell organelle, that is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is one of the cell organelle that is present attached to the nucleus. Two types of the endoplasmic reticulums are there. One is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Second one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, why it is called rough? Because on the surface of this endoplasmic reticulum, other cell organelles, one of the cell organelles, that is ribosome, they are present. As ribosomes are present on the rough on this endoplasmic reticulum, so the smoothness of this endoplasmic reticulum is destroyed. That is why it is known as the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, rough endoplasmic reticulum. And here, second endoplasmic reticulum is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Both the reticulum, they are attached to the nucleus. These ribosomes are mainly involved in protein synthesis. smooth. After the protein is synthesized by the ribosome, it gives this protein to this endoplasmic reticulum. And the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they are mainly involving fat or lipid synthesis. So fat or lipids are synthesized by smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and proteins after it's synthesized by the ribosome, it gives to the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So both the endoplasmic reticulum, they are mainly involved in protein, fat and lipid synthesis. After they are synthesized, this protein, fat and lipids are synthesized by both the endoplasmic reticulum. So it is generally comes to the one of the cell organelle, that is Golgi body. So both this protein and lipid, protein and fat and lipid, after they are synthesized, it comes to this endoplasmic reticulum. Afterwards, it comes to the Golgi body. Golgi also present just near to the nucleus. It is a bag-like structure. Bag-like structure means it carries whatever the protein and fats are synthesized by these two organelles. They are carried by or packed in the inside the Golgi body. So what is Golgi body? It is one of the cell organelle. In the year 1898, it was discovered by one scientist known as Camillo Golgi. Camillo Golgi discovered this cell organelle by using electron microscope. This Golgi body is a bag-like structure or sac-like structure. Its main thing is storage and transportage. Whatever things are secreted by these two endoplasmic reticulum, they are stored here, packaged here. After that, the structure is sometimes slightly changed and it is transported to other parts of the cell where it is required. Mostly, it is the Golgi company, this Golgi body, it is generally transported the protein and fat to the cell membrane, sometimes the lysosome. Lysosome is one of the other, it also one of the cell organelle. So, now come what to know? Golgi bodies, its main function is to what? Storing, packaging and transporting this material that is secreted by these two cell organelle from one part of the cell to the another part, mostly to the cell membrane or cell wall and sometimes lysosome. The numbers are present where there is a secretion part or enzymes or other secreting parts are present more. Where the enzymes are more secreted, there these Golgi numbers are more.